Need to replace the control board in your Pit Boss Austin XL? Today we're swapping it for a brand new one. We'll walk it in clean technical diagrams to see the repair from angles that are hard to catch on camera. It's an easy job, about 30 minutes with a Phillips screwdriver and some masking tape for labels. Let's get into it. Step 1. Open up the hopper. But first, pull the plug, turn the dial to off, and make sure everything is cool. Then, we can work. The access panel comes off the hopper with a handful of screws. Behind it is the back of the control board and the wiring harness that runs the whole grill. Step 2. Label and unplug. 5 things feed off this board: the igniter, the auger motor, the fan, the temperature probe, and the power cord. Stick a piece of tape on each lead, write what it is, snap a photo, and then pull the connectors. The plugs are keyed, but labels make reassembly brainless. Step 3. Pull the old board. Start with the mounting screws on the control panel face. Back them all out and keep them together. Now draw the board out of the hopper, slow and level. Keep a hand behind it so nothing snags the harness on the way through. With the board clear, you're looking at the empty opening. The harness follows through that same window when the new board goes in, so leave the leads hanging where you can reach them. Step 4. Seat the new board and reconnect. Each keyed plug clicks home one way, and the temperature probe spades snap onto their terminals. Match your labels, seat the board, drive the screws, and close the panel. Before it shuts, check the 5-amp fuse is seated. That little fuse protects the board from the igniter. Time to prove it. Plug in and press power. The screen should light. Turn the dial to smoke and listen for the startup cycle. The auger turning, the fan spinning up, and warmth building over the firepot. Roll the dial through a few temperatures and watch the set point follow. Then let it run and hold near your setting. Pass all 4, and this repair is finished. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.